My journey was not to be admired. Life wasn't mine until stolen, hot-wired. Chipping through layers of hardship, scarred by life, the temporary whip. At dusk, I grow into my face. I am the angel of disgrace. I am the dead tree in the forest, a flood without rain, a burdened temptress. I am a hellish harbor, the taste of death, a sour nectar. Your life cannot be married to the body that is buried. What is a heartbeat after defeat? The liveliest soul when taken by the pull. Step carefully in the night. I will strike dead for a single slight. Will you surrender to forgiveness? That perhaps there is no hell, only witness. Eclipsed by my towering form, the only monument left, blissfully worn. I am no angel, I do not protect you. There is no comfort in death, only fortune. Know the limits of a woman contained. I am a body without skin, an animal untamed. Do not be fooled by my head pointed down. Eyes are not seeing, only my unruly crown. I see everything, I feel it all. The crimes far away, big and small. Bring your pleadings to me, the desperation for immortality. Death is the only permanence. You reject the truth when fresh and earnest. Death is a cold communion, where we found truth in our ruin. Here in the stale, biting air, we must let go of what made us rare. Your fleeting bodies trip away as tiny souls ripple in their flay. They circle my cold, blackened metal and ask, is this the finish line or the settle? Make stories of me in your head, carved from obsidian, alien thread. Born from the crust of the earth, where I learned the falsity of mirth. Twist and curl my fable, my myth. Shove it back and ignore the pith. But know without doubt, what reaches for you is never a shout. It is quiet, a promise in waiting. Death has no need for baiting. It is thin as mist. What do you think your shadow is?